So now what's happened deployment part which is going on. So as I just created the Docker file especially for the backend also. There is some, see, this is backend. So I have just created one of the Docker file. So this is all about, so you can see like what are the commands which I have just put it over here. So after that in front end also I have just created the Docker file. So this is about the front end part. So as per the dependencies and everything. So based on that, then after that, I just made the Docker composition. So based on the Docker composition, so this is all about. So this is all files like in the DB. So services I have used. So it's like front end, back end, and database, right? So in front end, database we have using these things with env.files and volumes. For backend, we have used these things. It's like what are the URLs, dependencies, commands, and everything. And for front end, we are using this command. So like with port numbers and everything. So we have just put it. Let's see whether it's creating or not. So I'm just facing some things regarding like this. So this is all part. So I'm just creating. So this is like Docker desktop, which is I put it. So based on the Docker desktop. So I'm just having with images and all. So let's see. So I'm in work trouble and shoots more. So this is all about. So hope you like it. So definitely if it's completed, I will definitely update it. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.